Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to add image to PDF with OpenAI using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF document and will add the generated image from OpenAI. So let's get started. First, open your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button. Next, select the Google Drive app. You can also use different cloud storage to store your source file. And choose the new file in folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. First, let's select my Google Drive as a drive to be used. Next, choose the specific folder where the file is stored. Now, let's test the trigger to fetch the file from Google Drive. The test trigger was successful. We can now add another app. In this step, we will add the OpenAI app. And choose the Generate Image option. Let's set up the OpenAI configuration. First, input a text in a prompt to determine the subject, style, and other characteristics of the image to be generated. Next, add the number of image variations. Then select the size of the image you'd like to generate. Now, let's send the prompt to OpenAI to process our request and generate an image. The OpenAI successfully processed our request and generated an image. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the generated image from DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. Since we're done generating an image, let's add another app to insert the generated image and select the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF filler so we can add the generated image to the PDF document. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, select the web content link from your Google Drive. Next, add the X and Y coordinate values that are used to locate a point to insert the image, and enter the generated image URL from OpenAI. You can easily get the coordinates using the PDF.co PDF Viewer tool. We provide a link of the PDF Viewer tool in the description box below. Then, type the name of your PDF output file. Now, let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co and process the PDF Filler API. PDF.co successfully processed our request and returned a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the PDF document that we successfully added the generated image from OpenAI. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.